This conference will now be recorded.
So guys, last class we discussed the data type. So one of the data type is remaining, so which is a Boolean data type. So here if you see, okay, A equal to true, type of A, Boolean. B equal to false, type of B, false. So true and false, these are all the Boolean values. So the value which is assigned to a variable, this type is a Boolean data type, Boolean type. Okay, so in this data type, we are having a Boolean which is having true comma false. Okay, so that is about data types. Next, we will discuss about operators. So in the programming language environment, we are having a operators. So there are different types of operators. Example, arithmetic operators, assignment operators, unary operator, relational operators, and logical operators, and membership operators, and identity operators, and bitwise operators. Okay, so here operators are as symbols. It is a kind of symbols. Okay. For arithmetic operators, we are having plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulo division, percentile. Okay. For suppose consider A equal to 13, B equal to 4, A plus B 17, A minus B 9, A into B 52. Remember this one, guys. A by B. Okay, guys, please make sure that whoever join A by B. Okay, A this one modular division and A percentile. Remember this one, guys. This is going to give you complete quotient value. When you division with the 13 with the 4, 4 threes are 12. Okay, remainder 1, then add 0. 4 twos are 8. So here this is going to give you complete quotient value, and here it is going to give you mm, this is going to give you a round of this value. Whatever the 3.25 round value it is going to give you. Percentile is going to give the remainder. Percentile is going to give the remainder. Okay. So in the interview, they will ask this question, guys. In the written test, they will ask this question. Okay. So if you divided with this one, it is going to give you the complete quotient value. Complete quotient value. And this is the round of that one. And this is the remainder. Now, next assignment operators equal to, okay, plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, divided equal to, divided equal to, percentile. What does it mean? So observe here, A equal to 13. Now a value assigned to here variable. Okay. So using assignment operator equal to. Using assignment operator equal to. I want to increase this one. A equal to A plus 10. Now what is the A value? 23. Now the same thing I can write like this also. A plus equal to 2. A plus equal to 2 means A equal to A plus 2. Now what is the A value? 25. So remember this one. The value if you write like this, A plus equal to 2 means A equal to A plus 2. Similar way, minus into division, modulo division we have. Next, unary operator, which is a minus, which is only minus, negative numbers. Minus 25. Unary operator. Next, we have a relational operators. Guys, observe this one. So, relational operator tell the relation between the two operands. It can be equal to, it can be less than, it can be greater than, it can be less than or equal to, it can be greater than or equal to. Okay, and not equal to. So whether the relation between the two elements, okay, a equal to 13, b equal to 17, a equal to b. Remember this point. Relational operators always return the Boolean value true or false. Always return the Boolean value true or false. Always return the value Boolean value true or false. Observe here. A equal to 13, B equal to 4. A equal to B, false. A is greater than B, true. A is greater than or equal to B, true. A is less than B, A less than or equal to B. So here what you have to understand is a relational operator always returns the Boolean value. So the here greater than. So it can be true or false. It is greater than or not. Okay. Logical operators. Logical operators we have and, or, not, and, or, not. So before going to this one, let me tell you. In our school days, in the 10th class, we have a subject statements. Okay. So I am having a two persons. Two persons are there. So between the two persons, what was the possibility of saying true or false? I have a statement. I am having a two persons. So what are the possibilities is he can say this one TTFF, TF. So what are the possibilities are two persons say whatever the sentence that is correct. There is a one possibility is two persons are saying the same thing. Okay. And another one is X is saying true, Y is saying false. Another possibility is X is saying false, Y is saying true. And one more possibility is both are saying false. These are all the possibility cases between the two persons. Now, here we have AND operation. X and Y.
Breaking your voice.
Sorry, is my voice is breaking?
No, it's clear.
Hello. Yeah, thank you. Actually, today I came to out of station, guys. Okay, that's why if it is any, I mean, if it is not properly, let me know. Okay, I will repeat
It's
that.
clear. It's clear.
So here, X and Y. Okay, the name itself indicates and. If both are saying true, the sentence is true. I am having a sentence. I want to check whether it is correct or not. Both are saying okay, both are saying the statement is true. Then only it is going to true. Remaining cases it is false. So and means and x is saying true and y is saying true, then only it is going to true. Otherwise it is going to be false. X or y. Observe this one. X or y. X or y. So if any one of the person is saying true, then it is going to true. Okay, if both are x or y means or anyone. If anyone is true, if here both are true. Anyone, he is saying true. Okay, x and y, he is saying true. In this one, anyone saying true. Both are false, then false. There is a not. Not x means negation. Whatever the true, it is false. False, true. Okay. Now, so here remember this one, guys. X and x are. Now observe here. A equal to 5, B equal to 3, C equal to 2. A greater than B and A greater than C. True. So here true and true. And means both are true, then only true. Okay. For suppose observe here. B less than A and B greater than C. This one is false. This one is true. I said and means both are true, then only true. B less than A. So this is correct. This is correct. Both are true, then only true. Okay. Now, not A greater than B. A greater than B, true or false? True. Not true. False. Okay. And or not. A less than B or B less than C. If or means if any one is true, then true. Otherwise, it is false. So, which is a logical operator? And or not. One more thing. Membership operators. In and not in. Guys, this is very, very important. Regularly, we are using this one. So, last classes also I used this one. Observe here. P in Python. False. Okay. I am having a list of files. would like to check whether the file is there in the list or not. Whether the file is there in the list or not. Whether the file is there in the list or not. Similar way, I am having a file address.txt not in the list. The file is not there in the list and it is going to return the boolean value true or false. Boolean value true or false. Okay. So similar way, I am having a dictionary whether the ID is there in the keys or not. Okay. So there we can use the in. For suppose in this case, whether the check whether the file is there in the list or not. So in other languages, we have to check each and every file and we have to take the file name, we have to compare. But the same thing, there is an operator called membership operator in and not in is there. In and not in is there. So here remember the return value is a boolean value. The return value is a boolean value. So here relational operator return the boolean value. Logical operator return the boolean value. Membership operator return the boolean value. Then what is identity operator? So this identity operator, it is going to compare the addresses. Identity operators. Is and is not. What does it mean? Okay. Now consider I am having a value a equal to 10. In Python, there is a predefined function id which is going to give the address of the element. This is the address. B equal to 20. Address of B. So backend some address will be allocated for this one. Now observe here C equal to 10. C equal to C equal to 10. Now ID of C. This one. So if you observe, both addresses are same, and here you can see. One second. Okay. So here we can see D equal to observe this way. D equal to A plus C. Now ID of D. This one. If both addresses here, both addresses are same. So in Python, this is a value based memory location. So for suppose in other languages, A equal to 10, B equal to 20, C equal to 30. So as there are multiple variables, multiple memory will be allocated. Different memory address will be there. Now the same thing in Python, we are having So here both will have the same memory location. Based on the value, okay, same memory will be allocated. Same address is allocated. Now, let me show you that. So here you can see the address. Now here you can see A is C. True. Based on the address it is going to be. Address it is going to check. If both are is having same address, is and is not is going to check the addresses level comparison. Memory addresses. Observe here. List 1 is having 1, 2, 3. List 2 is having 1, 2, 3. List 1 equal to list 2. True. Now, list 1 is list 2. False. Because ID of list 1, ID of list 2. Both are different. So here addresses are not matched. So it does not return anything. Sorry, it is returning false. List 1 is list 2, which is false. So the ID addresses are not matched. But the elements are matched. But is going to give the addresses. Generally, we are not much using this one.
But Srinivas, both
Yeah.
in this case, this list are having same content, then that should contain same memory location for both case.
List level, it does not allocate at the same memory location. That's why it is false. Only list. Okay. The address is differ. The element is same.
Okay,
The elements are same. The address is different. That's why it is going to return false.
okay. Data type is different. That's why.
Data type is also same. Both are list only. Address, memory address is different.
Okay.
Okay. So next we have a bitwise operators. Guys, this bitwise operators is mathematical related. Mathematical related. Those who are able to understand well and good. If you do not able to understand anything, don't worry. Okay, so this is completely mathematical related. If you able to understand well and good, if you do not able to understand, leave it, no problem. So before that, we have to understand binary numbers, octadecimals, and hexadecimals. Here in Python, binary number we can specify 0b, octa number 0o, hexadecimal number 0x. A equal to greater than, sorry, A equal to 10. Binary of A 0b. So guys, this is completely mathematical. If you are able to understand well and good, otherwise don't worry this one. First two digits is okay. 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1 plus 2 square plus 2 cube. Okay. So 8 plus 2 10. So but this is the binary number. Now next we have octa numbers. B equal to 20. OCT of B. This is the octadecimal. So here 4 into 8 power 0. 4 into 8 power 0. 2 into 8 power 1. Okay. So that is octadecimal in terms of 8, base 8. Similar way hexadecimal. C equal to C equal to 21. Now hexadecimal of C. 0x15. So 0x is the prefix, you can ignore. 515. 5 into 16 power 0. 1 into 16 power 1. So 0b is in terms of 2. In terms of 8. In terms of 10. Okay. Now, so here bitwise related we have a different functions. One is bitwise complementary. Bitwise or bitwise and bitwise or bitwise exclusive or. Next, left shift, right shift. Yes, if you are not able to understand, don't worry about this one. So bitwise complementary. Okay. So in this is the two's complement value. In our school, one's complement, two's complement, we have the same thing. A equal to 5. Bitwise A. Okay. 6. The formula is minus of n plus 1. Minus of n plus 1. So here this gives the complementary value, which is a two's complement value. Okay, if you give A equal to 5. Okay, when you convert it into 0b, 1 0 double 1, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square. Okay, so one's complement, just reverse that one. One's complement, add 1. Okay, so minus of 1 we have to add. So this one we can check it later. Okay, 2's complement. Okay, so minus of n plus 1. So a equal to 5, right? Minus of n plus 1 minus 6. Similar way you can check. B equal to 7. So this is the symbol tilde operator minus b. Okay, minus of n plus 1 minus 8. Okay, this is the output. Bitwise R. Okay, bitwise and you can take this example. Bitwise and. Okay, this is the symbol. A equal to 4, B equal to 5, A and B. A and B. So here when you do bitwise and, if both are 1, then only 1, otherwise 0. If both are 1, okay, then 1, otherwise 0. A equal to 4, B equal to 5, 4. So here you can see this is the formula. This is the binary number. This is the binary number. When you do A and B, if both are 1, then only 1, otherwise 0. Similar way R. Similar way R. So here you can see both 0, then 0 remaining 1. So in this case, this is A value, this is B value. So converted into binary number. So if both are 0, then 0, remaining case is 1. This is bitwise R. So this is the symbol. Okay. So in the XOR, exclusive OR, A, this one. If anyone should be 1, then 1, otherwise 0. Okay. Left shift operator moving into the left side. By default, A equal to 4, the binary number is 1. As this is the left side 2 digits, so the 1 is going to move to here. So whatever the 1 here, left side moving into 2 positions. This is the value. Sixteen. So here you can see right shift move to right side. Okay, A greater than 24. Right side it is going to move. So this is the normal 24. As we are moving right side, this one move to 2 position right side. This one is moving to 2 positions right side. Okay. This is the bitwise operators, guys. Okay. Here you can see this notes. I will share these notes to you guys. I will upload some notes today. Okay, you can go through this one. So among all, mainly we are using this one and this. Okay, arithmetic operator plus minus into division, modular division, percentile. Assignment operator just assigning a value. Unary operator minus relational operator. Relation operator less than or equal to greater than or equal to which is going to return the Boolean value. For logical operators, and or not. And means both are true, then only true. Otherwise, all cases false. Or means the name itself indicates or. Either either one of the true, then true. Not means not, negation. Logical operators and or not. Membership operators, in the not in, these are all membership operators. Identity operators, is and is not. So bitwise operator, we have to understand binary, octal, and hexal, and then binary complement, bitwise complementary operator, which is a two's complement, and bitwise or bitwise not, bitwise exclusively or left shift and right shift. Today go through this one, guys. Okay, tomorrow we are going to write a programs on top of it. Tomorrow we will discuss about the conditional statements. So here in the programming language, this is very important. Conditional statements. Okay. So if condition equals condition and if if else. So this is important. Next class we will discuss on it, guys. So last class I have given some couple of programs. Okay. Out of which one or two persons are doing the assignments. Here only this person is doing work assignment. So he's having 50-20 years experience. He is doing work. What about 3 years, 4 years experience, guys? Freshers. Okay, please do assignments, guys. Okay. So tomorrow we'll continue with the same link.